Anything you can carry, we will buy for you.
You guys are amazing. I shouldn't have picked this up, dude.
Put it on.
No!
Alright guys, we are very excited to be here today in sunny New York.
Yeah!
And apparently we're in Manhattan.
We are.
Not Brooklyn anymore.
No.
Because that's where we are.
Exactly.
So we have a very exciting challenge. John has no idea what we're doing.
None.
Most of the people here have no idea what we're doing. So today we're gonna do a challenge.
Okay.
The challenge is you go into the VANS store.
Okay.
And you have 5 minutes, and anything you can carry, we will buy for you. But if you drop something, you get nothing. Cannot drop anything. You have to put everything back. Nobody can help you.
Okay.
Nobody can put things in your arms, but anything you can carry.
But I'm not gonna be funny. I'm gonna carry like 4 boxes and just walk out. Put the socks on.
Doesn't matter. I don't care.
Why
It
are
is
you
what
doing
it
this?
is.
That's awesome.
I don't know why.
Okay.
Because that's the video that we're doing. He was like, my heel hurts. I'm not gonna skate. And I was like, I think we're gonna be okay. I think your heel will be fine.
I feel like we should up the ante with some kind of challenge afterwards. I don't know
Like
what.
what?
I don't know. Like some kind of game of skate with me and you or something.
Then you have to wear all of the gear and then we play a game of skate. Okay.
Okay. This is so exciting.
Anything you can
John,
carry.
if you can get me a pair of pants.
Of course, anything for you.
I feel like this is why Gabe likes to do these videos.
We're like the exact same proportion, so anything I get, Gabe can use.
Last video, he's like, okay, let's do this video, and can you please get me some insoles?
I never got insoles.
insoles.
You can't like get a bag.
Okay.
No
and
bags.
put everything in the bag.
Got it.
And then it gets a little too crazy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything in the entire store.
That's insane.
Anything.
I'm so happy right now.
Shirts.
Wait, so if I drop it, I don't get anything.
Boards,
Right.
trucks, yes.
Okay.
You have to put it
I
all
mean,
back.
I was gonna say if you drop it, you have to put everything back and then you get it again, but you have 5 minutes. It's a 5-minute
Okay,
time limit.
okay, good.
You're not done until you put everything down on the counter to be like rung up.
Okay. Deal.
All right,
Let's do this.
let's go.
I'll give you one more warning. The last one we did with Uzi Dan, he almost dropped a beanie in the first 30 seconds of the video.
I said, I'm gonna grab a beanie. You can't drop a beanie. And I went to grab it and it slipped and almost fell. And you caught it? Okay, good.
Can I empty my arms somehow?
Yes, you can.
Is there anyone who's
And-
willing to
and
carry an
your stuffed
electric
everyone.
skateboard?
Braille
Hands are
comes
too
to New
tight. I
York
already
and we
know it.
treat you, John.
You guys are amazing. I feel like I owe you guys, not the vice versa.
John.
Yes.
Next week we'll do this in Louis Vuitton.
I'm big-chested. I'm naturally big-chested. It's good. The thing is, I'm not super brave with this stuff, so I'm probably not gonna go crazy with it.
Just go
There's
crazy.
2 people behind you.
Sorry,
Better be.
we don't live here.
And they know that we're coming in here?
No,
Nobody knows.
Really?
no. I don't even know if we're allowed to film in here. We're just
So
going.
wait, when do we start the timer? I say we start the timer the second that door opens. I'm really bad at timer, but I should do it. Set a timer for 5 minutes.
All right, you're going.
Go. He's not even running. It's a casual walk. That's a display shoe.
Oh, is it?
You can't take that.
I can ask them for it, right?
We can't. Okay.
Can you put them outside the window?
Alright, it's fine. We won't make the video then.
Pause timer.
Pause timer.
The timer's still going. Hey Siri, where's the newest
I was
Zoomies?
gonna get like 3.
Okay, well after getting kicked out of VANS and deciding that we're gonna go somewhere else, they said, it's okay, go ahead. So I have to figure out how to stop the timer and restart it.
There is a little cheat where I looked inside and I kind of gauged some stuff that I want to grab.
So cheap.
So that exists.
What are you smelling? Are you
5
going?
minutes, go.
Oh, we're going.
Go. Why did he just grab that shoe?
One single shoe.
What?
Wait, you're
What
only
do you
grabbing
think is
one of
with
each?
One shoe?
Oh wait, I can't drop this at all after I
can't
hold it,
put it
right?
down at
But they
all.
have to give me the boxes, so I have to get, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, let me check over here. I'm really picky, I forgot.
You can't be Mickey, John. You gotta just get shoes.
Be picky, John. They have to match everything. They have to match your style. They have to match everything you want.
Aaron, what's the time at?
We are at 4 minutes and 15 seconds.
Oh my god, I already wasted a minute because I can't
And you gotta wait for them to get boxed? Are you waiting
Yeah,
for them
if
to get
they
boxes?
can't get the boxes to you by the end of 5 minutes, you don't get them.
Oh my
you get
god,
is
I literally
displays.
don't know what I want. Oh wait, no.
It's okay, we're cool. The employee's running over, I'm telling him. No.
Okay. Can I possibly see
What?
that there's a
Dude,
size
this
10
is
in
sick.
these?
10, definitely not in these, but
Okay.
I can check for these.
Okay, perfect.
Hey, you better start grabbing those.
3 minutes, 45
Grab some
seconds.
shirts, grab everything. Don't put anything down.
I can't put it down?
No. You gotta hold it.
Oh my god, that's clever. I shouldn't have picked this up, dude.
Dude, that is sick though.
I wonder if it has this. Do they have? I don't want to pick it up though because I have to put it back down if I get a large.
You can just put it over your shoulder.
But if I get a large, it's gonna add all that to it. So I'm gonna ask first.
Smart.
Hey, do you have a large in that jacket that's on the table over there, the brown one? Yeah, cool, perfect. But now I'm stuck holding all this. That was a bad idea for me to grab things like you guys said. I'm mad.
You're really overthinking this, John. You're really overthinking this.
I would have grabbed the entire store by now.
Literally.
Okay.
Those are cool.
And dropped it all.
Okay, go ahead. Pick them up.
I guess.
There you go.
2
Empty the whole
minutes,
floor.
51 seconds.
That's all that's left?
How much?
That's all.
How much?
2
2
minutes.
minutes and 51
Okay.
seconds.
45
I gotta wait for
seconds.
homie to get back because I have to hold the boxes still while I'm holding all this.
That's fine.
You know?
Boxes are the easy part.
How can I? Where?
This guy.
Green, and I have the blue ones.
Take your time.
Okay,
Take your
wait,
time.
Are those the two that I showed you?
I have those in green, not the blues. Those right now, those only have 13.
It's fine.
These
just
are
take
awesome.
them.
Yeah, these are
just
awesome.
Take them.
Yeah, yeah.
Just take them.
And also these.
We got about a minute and a
I'll
half
hold
left.
it. Wait, I gotta hold it, right?
Oh no.
2 minutes,
Oh
20
no.
seconds.
I have to hold it, right?
I mean, I guess that counts, right?
I feel like I have to hold it for it to be justice.
Go ahead.
Okay. So now I don't have any arms, which is terrible.
He's gonna drop it.
What about? I want some of those reds. I want 2 of those reds. Oh wait. Oh my. There's no way.
Exactly.
Don't drop it, John. How much time we got?
We're gonna call 1 minute, 45 seconds.
Oh.
Just for some bearings. He's gonna risk it all.
Boom.
Wow.
Oh God.
Wow. 1
This
minute,
is a nightmare.
35 seconds. Literally a nightmare.
Got it. Oh, he's got 2 more boxes. You gotta go and give him a hand.
Those are small boxes.
Can you put them on here somehow?
Nobody can help you.
Oh, he's learning.
There you go. That's a sick jacket. That's a sick jacket.
There you go.
Trucks and wheels.
How much time we have?
1 minute.
1 minute.
Wait, he can't drop it. He can't drop it. John, don't drop it.
Okay, let's go. Let's get out of here.
What size do you ride?
Let's get out. I'm good.
What size do you ride? What trucks do you use?
Oh no. No. Don't drop it.
Oh wait, just put, yeah, there you go, perfect. All right.
For that rule,
gonna
like
get
no
it in his
employees
pocket?
can put it on.
No.
Can we put it in his pocket?
No.
Okay.
That's cheating.
Let's call it. We're calling
How
it.
much time? How much time?
I'm good. I don't want it.
43 seconds.
I'm staying still.
I mean, you gotta put it on the.
No more.
Put it on the counter.
I don't want anything else. I don't want it.
Don't let it fall off.
20 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16. Oh.
You know what? This will help.
That's perfect.
Keep holding it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Oh! Yeah!
1 second. You gotta put it on.
All right, now just put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Yeah!
I'm gonna go home now. That was the most stressful moment of my entire life. Dude, thank you so much, man. That was sick. I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you for that. Seriously. Thank you. I'm from the city. Yeah. They're all from San Francisco, so they come up.
You did great.
He did
Dude,
great.
I was done at like 45 seconds, and then I just see things stacking up, and I'm like, at the end of the clutch when he threw it, I saw it flying through the air. It was like 3. So you need to slow motion that. All right, well,
Let's get everything situated.
let's do it.
I don't know about these display shoes, John. Oh.
Yeah.
That was awesome. That was incredible. Absolutely incredible. And he's so nice. Like, after all that, I'd be
I would
like,
have taken everything.
give me all of it. He's like, no, I just need what I need, and that's it. What a humble guy.
So your total weight is 460.71.
Not as bad
Wow. Uzi did 1,200.
He did 1,200, yeah.
Ow! I should have.
That's what,
I don't know how to do that.
That's smart. That's smart. That was the most stressed I've ever been in my entire life. That was harder than any trick I've ever done in my life.
Yeah, truth. What would you guys do though? If you guys had this challenge, what would you do? Leave it in the comments below.
They can't know in
Hashtag
advance
notification
though.
squad.
I'd wear parachute pants and just like huge pockets and be like.
Rubber band.
And thank you for existing. Love you.
All right, well, I'm really glad that you did not get injured in the process of making this video.
Me too. That'd be pretty hard, but okay.
Well done.
Thank you, sir.
That was awesome. That was awesome. It was so funny that we went in there and they were like, no filming.
No.
And then they were like, can we all get a picture behind us?
Towards the end.
That'd be
Well, they
really
could
great.
feel our excitement towards the middle. They're like, yeah, let's get on this.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Thank you, John.
Thank
you so much.
Dude, thank you.
That was really
This
rad.
is incredible.
And yeah, enjoy all your stuff.
I love you. And you, Gabe.
If you guys have not seen John's channel, go check out John Hill's channel. Link will be in that description below. It's right down there. Thank you so much.
I appreciate you.
And you guys, check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, learn to ride the skateboard.